Are you in need of converting NSF files to PST format? Introducing SysTools NSF to PST Converter. NSF to PST Converter software provides feature to translate canonical name into SMTP format. Key features of the software. Convert NSF to PST emails, calendars, tasks, journals and contacts. The software provides advanced options, in which you can maintain internet header, HTML formatting and doc links. You can convert encrypted NSF file with Lotus Notes to PST Converter. Lotus Notes installation is required to convert NSF to PST. Go to Google and search SysTools NSF to PST Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. You can see here select NSF files to add your NSF files. If your NSF file is password protected, then enter the password and provide Lotus Notes client password option. To find out the SMTP address and map with CN value automatically, add the names.nsf file. Select the checkbox names.nsf file, and click on the Browse button. Select this option and click on Add Files or Add Folder option. Select that folder, where you keep your NSF files, and click on the OK button. Once the NSF file is added to the software pane, you can view your file into the preview pane. If you have selected the wrong file, you can remove by click on the Remove button. Now, click on the Next button to continue the process. Here you can see Select Categories option. You can select all or apply filter for each category. For apply the filters, select Apply Filters option and click on Setting button. Check the Include Date checkbox and add Start Date. Select the date. Now select the month. Select the year. Repeat the same process to add the end date. Now click on Apply button to apply date filter. In Contacts category, you can exclude duplicate contacts by clicking on this option. To apply filters in rest categories, repeat the same process as per your requirement. In Advanced Setting options, to maintain the folder structure, select the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option. Now, check the Apply Advanced options and click on the Settings button. Now, choose the options as per your requirement. To maintain all HTML formatting of emails during the process of its conversion, check the HTML formatting option. Select Internet Header option, to maintain the sent or received email header. Allow all document view mail items to be migrated into PST. Allow to maintain doc link of mails. Now, click on the Apply button to apply the settings. Split PST option is provided to split your large file according to size. The file could be splitted into GB or MB. If you want to create a single PST file, then choose the Create Single PST File for all NSF files. Here you can see default destination path. If you want to change the default location, then click on the Browse to save the file and choose the desired location. If you want to go previous screen, then click on the Previous button. Otherwise, after all the settings, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. A window will appear that has shown Export Process Report. Here you can see your conversion status of your files like in progress, failed or completed. Once the export process is over, you can see your exported data by clicking on the destination path. View the export report that is automatically generated by the software. The report contains the folder count. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.